Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we need to find out the value of x for this equation. We are given an equation x raised to power 5 minus 1. If we see here the degree is 5. That means if the degree is n, that means we have n values of that equation. Here x has 5 values. How many values? X has 5 values. Okay, and we need to find out those values. How will I proceed? Though if you remember, if you have studied complex analysis, then you should know that it is fifth root of unity. I will tell you that as well at the end, but now what will I do? I will try to solve this equation and try to find the equation values of x's. Okay, so how will I do? For that I need to know this formula, x raised to power n minus 1. What is x raised to power n minus 1? There is a formula for this equation, and that is equal to x minus 1, x raised to power n minus 1 plus x raised to power n minus 2, and it goes on up to 1x plus 1. Okay, this. So here I have x raised to power 5 minus 1. That means this can be written as x minus 1, x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We are given, right? This is an equation. So when we solve this equation, we will get x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x raised to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We will get one root from this equation. X is equal to 1. So one root is this. One root is this. X equal to 1. But we know that this equation will have how many roots? 5 roots. And we need to find 4 other roots, right? So 4 other roots we need to find. For that we have this quadratic equation, fourth degree equation. Okay. So what will I do? I will try to solve this equation now. Okay. So first thing what I can do is dividing. How do we proceed? Always whenever we have this type of question, we always proceed like this. Dividing whole equation, or dividing equation, you can just say equation 1. Suppose I say this is equation number 1 by x square. What will I get now? x4 by x square, right? x cube by x square, x square by x square. I will have to divide each and every term with x square, right? Okay, what am I left with now? First term is x square plus x plus 1 plus x raised to power minus 1, right? 1x will get cancelled out and we are left with 1 by x, that is x inverse, and here x raised to power minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, why did I do that? Okay, I will tell you that as well now. First of all, you just learn to simplify this. I will write square terms together, x square plus x raised to power minus 2. Can I write it as 1 by x square, right, plus x plus 1 by x, right, plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now you know why did I do that? Because there is one relation for such type of questions. If I say that x plus 1 by x is t, okay, you square both sides this equation, you will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 2. Do you know this formula? This is a very important formula for solving these types of questions, because when you square both sides this thing, you know what will you get? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x is equal to t square. You remember the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to t square. And when this x and x cancels out, this 2 goes on the right hand side and this becomes x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 2. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Now we have the value of this and this. What will I do now? We will substitute. Okay, substituting these values in equation. Suppose I say this is equation number 2. Okay, what will you get now? This is t square minus 2 plus t plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Okay, now I will solve it. This will become t square plus t minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now this is a quadratic equation. And how do we solve quadratic equation? There is a formula. What? T is equal to, so I will write the formula here. If you have one quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, how do you find out the roots? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, so here I will write what is a. A means coefficient of t square. So a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1, right? What will you get for t then? T will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2 into 1, 2a, right? So t will be equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 by 2. That is t is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. This is 2. T, right? So we got two values of t. Now, do you remember what is t? T is nothing but t is what? X plus 1 by x, right? So if I write this in quadratic form, what will I get? Multiply with x on both sides. Multiplying with x on both sides, it will become this, right? X square minus xt plus 1 is equal to 0. If I bring this xt on the right hand side. So this is the equation we got. Do you notice that this equation in x is quadratic in x? So here as well, I can find the value of x. X will be equal to, consider t as constant now, okay, because this is quadratic in x. Okay, so I will tell you what is a here. A is 1, b is minus t, and c is 1. Okay, so x will be equal to minus b. Minus b means minus of minus t. That will become plus t. Plus minus b square means t square minus 4ac. That is 4 by 2. So this is x. Now do you see that x has two values? One value is this, t plus under root t square minus 4 by 2. And another value is t minus under root of t square minus 4 by 2. And t also has two values, right? So if I put one value of t here, I will get one value, and t, because t has two values. So two values I will substitute here, two values I will substitute here, then I will get 4 values of x. So what will I do now? I will show you first. I will substitute first value of t. Okay, what is t? T is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. Okay, so what will I do? I take just one value of this. This is plus minus, but I will take one value. So what will I write? I will write minus 1 plus under root 5 by 2. Suppose I say this is t1, and what is t2? T2 is minus 1 minus under root 5 by 2. I will put this value only in this equation. Okay, in this equation it is t square. So can I find t square? What is t square? Minus 1 plus under root 5 by 2 whole square, right? It will become 1 plus 5 minus 2 under root 5. A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So but this is minus, so it will become minus 2 root 5 by 4. It will become 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4. And if I take 2 common in the numerator, it will become 3 minus root 5 by 4. So this will cancel out and it will become 2. So this is t square, but I need to have t square minus 4. So what is t square minus 4? It is 3 minus root 5 by 2 minus 4, right? So if I multiply with 2 and 2, I will get 3 minus root 5 minus 8 by 2, right? This is minus 5 minus root 5 by 2. This is t square minus 4. Okay, now I will substitute in x, in this x. Okay, what is x now? X is t plus under root t square minus 4. Okay, so what is t? T is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. We use this value in t, minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, plus this is what? T square minus 4 under root of, and what is t square minus 4? Under root of t square minus 4 is minus 5 minus root 5 by 2, right? And whole upon 2, right? Okay, so now I have minus 1 plus under root 5, and this 2 will get multiplied with this 2, will become 4, and this 2 I will write here as like this term, and in here I will get 5 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, this minus inside the bracket will become iota. So this is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 is plus iota 5 plus root 5 under root and by 2 under root 2. So this is first root, and second root will be minus of this, and other two values of x will be minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 plus minus iota under root of 5 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. Okay, so we have 4 values, 2 these values and 2 these values. You know what? This is nothing but fifth root of unity. You know, if you directly want to use the formula, if you have studied complex analysis, this is fifth root of unity, e raised to power 2 pi iota k by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get 5 values of x for this with k0, 1, 2, 3, 4. K0 means 1 only, first root, which we had find earlier. And other 4 roots you will get when you will substitute 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that can also be written as cos 2 pi k by 5 plus iota sine 2 pi k by 5. So when you will put the value of k as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will actually get these values only. So either you can, if you have options in your test, so either you can write this or these. So I hope you understood this. For more such videos, you can visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.